We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey YouTubers, this is your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass on a Canon Pixma G-6020 printer. Just follow these steps and you can clean your scanner glass. Alright, so first you will need to open your scanner lid and expose your glass. Then you want to grab a lint-free cloth and your favorite glass cleaner. You want to put the cleaner directly on the cloth, not on the glass. If you put it on the glass, you can damage some parts, cause, moisture underneath the glass. It's not going to be a good situation. So go ahead and clean your scanner glass. You might see pen marks on it or even, maybe some whiteout. So you might need to clean it more than one time. If you continue to clean your scanner and you're still seeing defects, it might be time to put your printer in for a service. Alright, perfect. So you should have cleaned your scanner glass. Thanks for watching our video today and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.